Good evening. I have a Corrigendum post tonight for a correction on my video concerning the TIS safe isolation kits in comparison to the safety bundles. No sooner had I finished posting the video, I got a message from TIS saying that they had in fact supplied these kits, which don't look anything like these on the box, and we should have had those. So I've got 4 of these have been sent through. These will be packaged up with the 4 safe isolation kits that I've got to send off to a local college as a donation due to a post. We identified that they were short of a couple, so I've managed to buy and blag these for them. So a quick strip down of what we've got in this box. So this one comes nylon bum bag, so it will be far more hard wearing than these. If we do a quick comparison, kit size, loads more room to put your stuff in. This is a bit more compact if it's going in your bag, but this is a more useful bag. These are about 35 quid, but they do have 2 extra breaker locks. These retail for 25 quid by themselves. However, they are included free of charge with this kit with a proven unit potential indicator for £65 plus VAT. These, as I say, are about 35 quid and are packaged with the safety bundle, which are 95 quid, which gives you a mega potential indicator and a pair of side cutters. Don't know about the side cutters. Anyway, let's have a look in the bag. So, quick empty out. Another pocket in there. Pocket at the front. We have insulated multi-hasp, tag, pen, internal breaker lock, external pinned breaker lock, main switch lock, and a safety lock. 1 key. Only 1 key. Well done TIS, as it should be. We don't need 2 keys, we don't need 3 keys, we only need 1 key with a safety lock. If you've got any more than one, cut them up, throw them away, get rid of them. This is quite a decent heavy size lock, and I'm struggling to get the key in. So metal hasp, metal padlock, plastic case, labelled up, you can put your name on the back, telephone number. Plastic hasp, I don't mind these, some people do. However, if we compare it to what was in the original one has more traditional metal hasp. Some people don't like these because of the gap that you get in the jaws, and they can be slid off. However, if you defeat these, that is a breach of the law. You're not allowed to interfere with devices provided for safety. So I don't get that complaint, but some people do. This one has got a closed loop that tucks back in and then pinches up. Once that's in, you can't get that out. As I say, I don't mind those. That one can go back in there. So that, while it's not got quite as much of that, is a much better kit in a £65 plus VAT box. So as I say, I'm going to get these packaged up now, get them on their way up north, and take care. Good night.